All right, working with a lot of buyers, and the first thing that comes up is what they can afford. And, the number gets thrown out. Hey, Darren, we're right around 1.3. That's our maximum. And what we're talking about is not cash offers. We're talking about when somebody actually has to budget. And the first thing you think of is not just the purchase price. What's really screwing people up is the upkeep, the maintenance cost, and then capital improvements. So we kind of break this down a little bit. Like maintenance is the yard and the electrical and, things like that, but then you also get into capital improvements, which could be thought of as maybe like 2 to 4% a year. So if the home is $1,000,000, 2% is 20 grand. So it's a chunk. This is not $100 here, $100 there. So in people's head, what we're really talking about is budgeting, right? So you want to think of 2 to 4% for capital improvements. Of course, the yard has to be figured in there, the water, the gas that you're dealing with. So unfortunately, there's actually a term for it, and it's called house poor. Because if you don't keep up with the Joneses, if you don't keep up with the upkeep that the house is required for maintenance, it starts to depreciate. And that's the last thing you want. What we want to do is the opposite. We want to invest into our home. Okay, we want to keep it up and we want it to look good, especially when it comes time to sell. So the total cost to own is really what we need to think of for the total budget. We need to calculate that into the budget. Okay, so you can't let the house go. You do not want to become house poor. So big deal there. Wanted to get it out. Peace out, D-Friends.